Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn lesson written by Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. Actually, this is the name of his autobiography, A Long Walk to Freedom. And before going to lesson, let us have some information, biographic information about Nelson Mandela. So Nelson Mandela was the name who sacrificed his whole life for the sake of black people. The person who gave the rights and right to live the life to black people is Nelson Mandela. He spent his more than 30 years of life in jail for the sake of his own people, to break the shackles of slavery of black people. So he was born in July 1998 in a very rural, in a very small village in South Africa, and later on he got graduated in law in Johannesburg. If he wished to live a happy life, he would have, but he didn't do it. When he saw the pathetic condition of his people, black people. Previously in South Africa, this was not the case about South Africa. In all the almost European countries, black people were treated like animals. They were sold like animals, they were tied like animals. In all the respect, they were treated like animals. They didn't have right to keep the family. They didn't have right to get educated. Nothing. Even then, they were living their life. But when Nelson Mandela got graduated from Johannesburg, and he struggled for living his own life. But while living his own life, he saw that his own people are lying in very pathetic condition. They are living the life of animal. So now his motto was, earlier his motto was to fight for the individual freedom. But now it became the movement. Now he started fighting for the freedom of all the black people. So here the term is apartheid system. As it has been mentioned in your book, apartheid system. What is apartheid system? Apartheid system is social system that separate people according to their race. मतलब जाति और वंश के आधार पर लोगों को अलग अलग करना. जैसे उस जमाने में अपार्टheid सिस्टम जो था वो it was established in South Africa and white people were supposed to rule the black people. तो इस तरह से जो सिस्टम था उसको कहा जाता था अपार्टheid सिस्टम. और इस अपार्टheid सिस्टम के खिलाफ अगर कोई लड़ा है तो वो है Nelson Mandela. Afterwards, so many people supported him and worked with him. So this is very first towards part of his speech is given here in the lesson, what he has addressed to the people. So in the first, after long rule of more than 300, South Africa became democratic country in 1994. लगभग 300 साल के ऊपर जो है वाइट लोगों ने साउथ अफ्रीका में राज किया है. उसके बाद में एज अ सक्सेस ऑफ द नेल्सन मंडेला दे गॉट फ्रीडम इन 1994. नेल्सन मंडेला ने जो है ही फाउंडेड पार्टी अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस, and with the support of people and other leaders, he fought against white people and made the triumph for black people. Now whatever black people can do, it is because of Nelson Mandela. Now this was the inauguration. He spent his very important 30 years of span in his life. He was tormented a lot. He told in his autobiography there, so many times the thoughts of suicide came to his mind, but he controlled himself because of his inner power. and this was the moment when to crop the fruits of his efforts. Now he was declared the president of South Africa, very first black president of South Africa. The inauguration ceremony was held in Pretoria, capital of South Africa, on 10th May 1994. तो नेल्सन मंडेला को जो इसके बाद में अफ्रीकन नेशनल ने राष्ट्रपति के रूप में, साउथ अफ्रीका के राष्ट्रपति के रूप में मनोनीत किया। एंड ये जो ये हुआ है शपथ ग्रहण समारोह, वो प्रिटोरिया में हुआ है। इट इज कैपिटल ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका एंड इन एम्फीथिएटर। एम्फीथिएटर मीन्स थिएटर हैविंग नो रूफ। तो उस एम्फीथिएटर में बहुत सारे देशों से लोग आए थे, बड़े बड़े लोग आए थे। अर्लियर बिकॉज ऑफ अपार्टेड सिस्टम सो मेनी कंट्रीज आउटलॉड साउथ अफ्रीका। मतलब जो अपार्टेड सिस्टम साउथ अफ्रीका में था, उसकी वजह से बहुत सारे देशों ने उस पर निर्बंध लगाए थे। लेकिन अभी जो है, जब नेल्सन मंडेला राष्ट्रपति के रूप में वहाँ शपथ ले रहे थे, तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने प्रतिनिधि या डेलीगेशन वहाँ पर अटेंड करने के लिए भेजे थे। ऑब्वियसली इनके पहले जो है दो लोगों ने प्रीवियसली two men were sworn in as a deputy president of South Africa, and it was the turn of now Nelson Mandela. As soon as he started his speech, he thanked all the guests called South Africans victory, a common victory for justice, for peace and for humanity. So first of all, he thanked all the international dignitaries and said that this victory is not only for South Africa, but this is the common victory for justice, peace and humanity. ये न्याय की, शांतता की और मानवता की जीत है, विक्ट्री है। This should not be taken individually for South Africa. And further, he paid his heartiest tribute to his great colleague who fought along with him to make South Africa free, to break the shackles of slavery, of apartheid. But those martyrs were not present there. They sacrificed their life. He became a little bit emotional here. Now he expressed his he hinted that grip over the survival of apartheid system like this, a totally inhuman system, not considering human as human, treating him like animal. It is totally inhuman system. This kind of system should not be run in society. Until and unless this kind of system runs in society, society would never progress to its peak. है ना? कोई भी सोसाइटी जो है, समाज का पूरा तबका जब तक साथ मिलकर काम नहीं करेगा, तब तक पूरी तरह से समाज का विकास नहीं हो सकता है। ये जो है नेल्सन मंडेला इस माध्यम से बताना चाहता था। So up to some main points we have discussed children here. Further very good points are there. I hope that tomorrow we will conduct the class and try to understand the meaning of these sentences of the speech. What is courage? What is freedom? All these things he explained very nicely in his speech. Thank you very much.